basically what I'm gonna do today is just clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash it, foam cannon, and yeah, stay tuned.
It's Happy Aloha Friday.
Happy Aloha Friday to our grandparents up in Hawaii. But then today I go to fire it up and it's like that quality on this. Oh, does not see the difference right there. It still looks all splotchy.
Emissions time. This
Alright, what up, motherfuckers? Back at it again with another video. So today we went over to DMV, worked on the title transfer on this Ford Ranger I've got, and so that's almost all done. Now I just gotta put insurance on it and take it to go get some emission testing. Probably do that tomorrow, go drive over there. The thing is, the tires that it has on it are pretty rough, but I only got the 3-day temporary tag to go do that before. I gotta do it in 3 days basically, and I'm not planning on getting tires for it right now because I'm gonna do some big off-road tires in the future. So basically what I'm gonna do today is just clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash it, foam cannon, and yeah, stay tuned. All right guys, so I just got the pressure washer all hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it down, and then I'll put some soap in the foamer, foam cannon this bad boy up. Just enjoying this nice beautiful day out today. There was no hay to be delivered today, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna enjoy a nice blueberry Topo Chico while I do it. So yeah guys, enjoy. Okay, so guys, you saw earlier I was just cleaning out the truck and I was making it all nice for you guys. So then we went to the DMV. I told you guys that, and we're gonna get it all certified. But then I got it road legal, got insurance, got a temporary tag, and then I went to start it up and drive it today. And yesterday we took it on a good romp, and it was running perfect.
It was purring.
This thing was purring like no problem. And it does have a bad exhaust leak because there's a lot of rust damage underneath it. But then today I go to fire it up and it's like, and the shifter like, and I was like, huh. So then me and Carpy took on a little spin, and the whole time I was like, man, it's really not running good. And it turns out that the spark plug wire was Bluetooth. So it was not really doing anything for us, guys. So we're gonna go to the O'Reilly's and get a spark plug wire set for $30. And I don't even think we're gonna replace the spark plugs. We're just gonna put new wires on it and call it a day. And it's gonna be dialed, guys. So we fixed the spark plug wires. Truck's been running good. Took it on a couple little test drives, and now I'm painting the wheel. We got some rippage on the sidewall of this tread right here. Wonder what'll happen if I try and peel that off.
Just gotta hope she don't blow.
Got a pretty big gash. These tires are absolutely beat, guys, but we've been ripping around town on them all day. Not even a concern in the world. And then we have a giant crack back there on the bracket holding the leaf pack on. You know, guys, just a lot of little things that are also big things. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint these wheels black, some Krylon Color Max, and right now I'm currently tucking a trash bag around the brake caliper.
Oh, here goes Buddy in his motorcycle.
Race bike. Oh, Jeep, what the? I actually do not like painting stuff like this. I actually refuse to do any prep work on this as well, besides wrapping a bag around the brakes.
That's exactly how I painted the wheel. I did a lot of prep work actually.
Oh, here he goes, guys. Here he goes. You hear it? Here he goes. Man, that thing sounds insane. I thought I was the annoying. Holy, guys. Okay, so instead of prepping all 4 wheels, we're gonna spray each wheel as we prep it, guys, so that way we get it done as fast as possible. Oh, guys, these are pretty dirty, guys. Kind of dirty. I don't know, guys. I'm starting to feel like I might need to actually clean these a little. So I think I will. I'm actually going to clean these off a little.
Over in a while.
That was pretty interesting.
It's because I can't stop running around for some reason.
They were definitely a little too dirty to be just spray painting right over.
Guys, if you didn't know, I just love running around recently.
Yeah, he was running into the road right now. Almost got hit by a car.
Yeah, make sure you look both ways, guys.
Yeah, that's like common sense, but...
Well, I don't have that all the time.
Alright, let's blast.
Let's see that. Oh my gosh. Holy bad.
Don't even worry about it.
That is awesome. Tastes like Coke.
It's already looking a lot better.
Yeah. A lot better, guys.
Guys, this is like the first upgrade I did on every car I ever bought when I was younger. Paint the wheels black for no reason at all. These ones actually have a reason, and it's because they're rusty as you know? They're a rusty mess. So I'm mostly just doing this to cover the rust so it doesn't look as bad. But I'm actually going to be upgrading the wheels and tires setup when I do the lift kit. So yeah, just stay tuned for all the upgrades, guys, because there's going to be a lot of them being made on this rig. I'm not really looking to do a premium job here. I'm mostly looking for coverage. Guys, what if the weight of the paint throws the tires off of balance and I start hopping down the freeway? I don't know. I don't know if that's possible. The rusty one. And you guys who live where it's cold and snowy, man, it must suck. Cause here, rust on a vehicle is like not a real thing. It's like more of an illusion than anything. Of it, it's looking a lot better. Holy. It's really making the white walls pop. It's really making the white walls pop, guys. You still got your large sticker on, bud. Oh man, guys. We're living in a different state of life right now. You guys ever tried plasti dip? But that's how I did this on my old Ranger, my old Ford Ranger. I had a 1999, and I put a plasti dip on those wheels. You really just don't, if you don't know, I'm sure most of you know about the power of the Ford Ranger, but some people don't, and those people are missing out. Gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let. All right, guys, I thought of another quick little upgrade I could do in this front bumper that's all faded out. I'm gonna try this back to black. And stuff tends not to really work that great, but I don't know, we're gonna see what happens. That was my project for the day. I did a few things to the Ranger. I feel like that's enough projects for today, guys. Carpy likes to just keep going on the projects, but I'm feeling like I'm about ready to call it a day. A good old day. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed watching me work on my truck, stay tuned because there'll be plenty more videos where that came from.
Alright, Grand Rising mother buckers, we are gonna go do emissions testing. The belt is squeaking, so I put some deodorant on there. Put some deodorant on the belt to try and prevent squeaking.
I think it's just the pulley chirping, that makes sense.
Yeah, I think it's just the pulley, guys.
We need some new pulleys and a lot of everything.
Alright, so it's Happy Aloha Friday.
Happy Aloha Friday to our grandparents up in Hawaii.
Yep, they're in Hawaii. They taught us about Happy Aloha Friday. So it's gonna be an amazing Friday, guys. We're gonna go over to emissions.
Smells like Old Spice in here now.
Yeah, this is awesome, guys. We love the Ranger. Let's crank the window down and take a gander outside. Woo! All right, we'll see you guys there. I'll take some films. All right, mother buckers, it's going pretty swell so far.
So far, we haven't blown a tire or blown a belt, so I think we're doing good right now.
Yep, it's driving smooth. The belt quit squeaking. I think the deodorant finally melted up on there.
Everything warmed up.
Wow. All right, we're almost there, guys. All right, mother buckers, here we are. We are in the facility.
Oh yeah, just about to get our emissions tested. Hopefully we pass, guys.
Emissions time, emissions time. This is awesome, guys. I am just loving this. We're gonna get that rig tested out. Look at that. We're gonna get the rig tested out. Look at all these people. Wow. All right, we'll see if we pass, guys. All right, guys, I think we've passed the test.
See if that gives us $3,000.
Nice. We passed it on, guys. We passed it on.
Even if you don't pass.
Well, it said complete, and you got green signs all over, so I think you're good.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Yep.
That's definitely what we want.
Definitely what we want.
Alright, thanks, man. Have a good day.
Awesome deal. Check that out, guys. Check it out. Check it out. We are OBD inspection compliant. Wow. That is awesome, guys. We have passed it on.
Put it in the glove box?
Yep. All right, guys. The Ranger is officially now licensed.
Guys, we're dying.
We are legal.